What's in the box? I'm Ben from Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialists. This is the Viofo a129 Pro Duo 4K. So, what's in the box? First things first, you have the front camera here. Here's how you actually adjust the front camera. And this side here, we have a micro SD card input. On the other side, we have rear camera input and your power input. The other thing is the mount actually has the GPS module built right into it. You then have the cord that goes from the rear to the front cable, typically around 20 feet in length. Then you have the rear camera, which is 1080p in resolution for the rear. Has this little mount, just slides sideways so that you can take it on or off as needed. You also have the power cable, which goes directly to your cigarette lighter. Has two USB inputs in case you want to plug your phone or something else in. Also has a little panel trim tool so you can actually tuck the wire in. And last but not least, the adapter for a micro SD card so you can plug it right into your home computer. What's not in the box and also available for purchase with this unit, polarized lens. .64 gig and 128 gig micro SD cards. Last but not least, the HK3 hardwire kit, which is for parking mode. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.